So I consider myself a beginner, although I began this practice some time ago. I feel like I've yet to pick one form and stick with it. There are so many, I love them all. The cost of attending classes can quickly add up, and I've yet to master a consistent routine. I think what would help me at this time with my practice is actual daily practice, whether in community or by myself. One thing I would love to improve is my balance. I have difficulty holding poses that require me to shift my weight from either side of my body. So if you have any tips on improving balance, I would love to learn. Drop a comment below.